Hello everyone, I am Akash and you are watching NetCell Programming. So, in the last tutorial we have discussed about the guess game. We built a little and very fun game in our Python programming. So, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the list function. We are going to design a list. Here I am going to declare one variable which is going to be friends, and in this variable I am going to create a list. Then I'll store 4 values in this friends variable. So I'll write my friend's name, which is going to be, first is Joe, second is going to be Jack, and third one will be John, and the fourth one will be Jerry. So here I'm going to storing 4 values in a single variable. In our previous videos we have just stored one value, one numeric value, one string value, whatever our value is, but we stored only one value in our single variable and we get the output. But here I am just using the bracket sign, and then I put 4 values in the bracket, then I stored in the single variable. So I'm going to print this friends variable and you will see our output what will be so. So let's play this. Okay, you can see in the output that Joe, Jack, John and Jerry, our 4 friends have been printed. So that is just an easy program, but we want something advanced. So here I have just stored 4 friends in the list, but I want one friend which should be printed from the list. It should be Joe. I want Joe from the list. It should be printed in our output. So here I'm going to use 0 in the index of friends. I have told you before that Python have index feature in it. So here Joe, which is stored in the index of 0, Jack, which is stored in the index of 1, John is index of 2, and Jerry is the index of 3. So every single one of them have their own index. So here I'm going to print out Joe. So I'm going to pass the index which is going to be 0, and I'll run this program. You see that in the output we have just finally got printed Joe. So here now we are not getting all the 4 members, only which member we want is get printed in output. Here I just typed 3 and the index value of 3, which is Jerry. So Jerry has been printed successfully. Here I am going to just remove this and I'll put -1 here. We have discussed left to right in the index. We start left to right index, which is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, but when we count from right to left, it is like -1, -2, -3, -4. So in the place of 3 it will be -1. So the value of -1 index is Jerry. Okay, I'm going to remove this -1 from here and I'll store here something else, okay, to show you some more example. Okay, I'm going to remove this and I'll put 1 colon. So here the index of Jack is 1, means our output should be Jack, and colon is showing that whatever is in the right of Jack would be printed in our output. So let's play this and see the output that the index 1 is printed, which is Jack, and whatever is stored in the right side of the Jack is also get printed, which is John and Jerry. So you can print like this also. I'm going to remove this, and here I'm going to update the value in the list. So we have 4 values, which is Joe, Jack, John and Jerry. Here I'm going to declare that friends variable one more time, and I'll use the index, and I want to update the Jack value. So I'll use the index 1. Here I'm going to remove the Jack and put Tom in place of it. So I'll use the Tom, and now Tom is stored in the place of Jack and the index value is 1. So I'm going to give it here and I'll play this program right now, and you will see our output should be Tom because we want the index value of 1. You can see Tom has been successfully printed. Okay, I'm going to change this program a little bit, and I'll write here -1 in the index. So our -1 value is Jerry, and here I change the 3 index, okay, which is also Jerry. So our Jerry will be replaced and Tom will be printed. You can see in the output that Tom is successfully get printed in our output. So that was all about the list function. We have learned about the basic list function, how to declare list, how to get printed the index value of the list. In our upcoming videos we will learn about the advanced features of the list. That was all about today's video. If you want to watch more videos, please give a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel also. Thank you.